Hi all, my name is Anil Nair. I was ex-career launcher South India academic head. I am there in this industry of helping students clear various aptitude examination from 2004 onwards. Many of the students, especially the students who are preparing for civil services, many students know the fact that the last year CSAT paper was probably one of the toughest paper. From the time CSAT was introduced, year on year, the level of questions, the level of difficulty of the questions, both are increasing. Keeping that in mind, as an aptitude expert, as a person who has taught for CAT examination for 15 plus years, I thought of giving a complete glimpse about CSAT related. First, we will discuss the CSAT related examination pattern. What exactly is a CSAT paper? When it got introduced? What are the details about CSAT information? What is the pattern of the examination? Which all topics will come under that examination? What is the weightage for a right question? Are there any negative marking? Completely we will discuss. What is the syllabus that is asked in CSAT examination? What is the question paper pattern? What is the detailed syllabus plan? Which all topics are important? Which all topics a student should study? Which all topics probably he or she should ignore it? Remember, CSAT, there are students I know, right, who are extremely talented but could not qualify the CSAT because of 1 or 2 marks. These CSAT is of extreme importance, and the best part is all the classes are taken by me with respect to mathematical section. As you know, in CSAT primarily there are 3 sections: maths, reasoning and English. Reasoning and English classes, most of the classes are taken by our in-house highly experienced academic team members. All the classes are taken under my guidance, so they are teaching exactly the concepts which I learnt over the years, so that I will concentrate on taking as many live classes as possible. So this is the agenda of today's session. So what we are going to discuss: what is CSAT, what is the pattern of CSAT, what are the topics that comes in CSAT examination, and we will discuss the top down approach, and we will also go to the subtopic analysis of CSAT paper and what are the most important topics that will come under CSAT. Extremely important session, do not miss it. Kindly sit in the class with a notebook and a pen, make a note of very important points. The first thing that we will ask is, what exactly it is a CSAT? CSAT stands for Civil Services Aptitude Test. Civil Services Aptitude Test. This is also called as an General Studies Paper 2. General Studies Paper 2. So way back probably 13 years before, UPSC has included these CSAT paper. Initially CSAT section and General Studies paper 1, both the scores are combined but later on they made these General Studies paper 2 as the qualifying paper, which we will discuss in detail. This was introduced way back in 2011 to test the aspirant. Most of the civil services aspirants, in your job, you are expected to think logically, you are expected to analyze a problem, you are expected to derive a solution based on various data. Your decision making skills should be of a next level. Your analytical, logical, critical reasoning, thinking skills are very importantly tested. So keeping all that in mind, way back in 2011 they introduced these CSAT paper. What are tested in CSAT paper? 3 areas will be tested. What are the 3 areas? Predominantly, one is maths, another is reasoning, and the third one is general English. We will discuss in detail. CSAT stands for Civil Services Aptitude Test. Civil Services Aptitude Test. So this is the full form of CSAT. Next, if you see here, few things what we will do. Let us get into the background, what has happened after the introduction of CSAT paper. They introduced way back in 2011 to 2014. 2011 to 2014. So generally paper 2, right, marks of paper 2 and marks of paper 1, right, were added to calculate the cutoff for the UPSC prelims examination. Student will write general studies paper 1 and general studies paper 2. Both the scores are added, then the cutoff is calculated, then the next level of right elimination process used to happen. So initially from 2011 to 2014 this was the process, but from 2015 till date, if you observe the CSAT paper, a student is expected to qualify in these paper. Sir, is there any bare minimum marks a student should get to qualify? Yes. So paper 2, general studies paper 2, CSAT became a qualifying in nature from 2015 onwards. That means marks scored by a candidate in CSAT will not be counted to calculate the cutoff of the prelims examination. Till 2014, the cutoff of the preliminary examination was calculated by taking into consideration paper 1 and paper 2, but from 2015 onwards only paper 1 is considered, paper 2 will become a qualifying in nature. What exactly we mean by qualifying in nature? This is the definition of qualifying in nature. That means if a candidate is writing paper 2, general studies paper 2, he is expected to get 33% marks. That means if the total marks are 200 marks for CSAT paper, if the total marks are 200, he is expected to get, right, minimum of 33%. That means 33% of 200, it is 66 marks. He should get greater than or equivalent to 66 marks. In case if a student get 65 marks, he is out, he is not qualified. He gets 60 marks, he is not qualified. He gets 67 marks, he is qualified per the paper. CSAT, General Studies paper 2 from 2015 became a qualifying paper. How much a student should get? He should get minimum 33% of the, right, total marks. Total marks are 200. 33% of 200, it is 66 marks he should get. So he is expected to get greater than or equivalent to 66 marks to qualify the CSAT paper. I hope this point is very clear. Please make a note, my dear friends. In 2023, CSAT paper was one of the most difficult CSAT papers, and year on year the level of difficulty of questions that are coming in CSAT are at a next level. So please do not ignore these particular section, especially the students who come from an mathematical background. Don't get into an overconfident mode that easily I will clear this. Probably it may or may not be the case. So we discussed about CSAT. This is the right flowchart of when CSAT got started and when it became a qualifying nature. 2011 is the year where CSAT was introduced in UPSC prelims examination. CSAT is also called as General Studies paper 2. From 2011 to 2014, General Studies paper 1 and General Studies paper 2, both the scores are added to decide the cutoff for the prelims examination. But in 2015, right, CSAT paper was made a qualifying paper where 33% of the total marks a student is expected to get it. Right now, still it is going on. A student is expected to get 33%. I hope the idea it is clear. So right till now what we discussed about the CSAT paper. Now what we will do is, right, we will understand the pattern, marking scheme, right, what is the mode of examination, what is the qualifying marks of the CSAT paper. We know that it is a 200 marks paper 200 marks. What will be the mode? How many questions? Is it an objective type? Is it an MCQ type? Each question right answer, how many marks? Are there any negative marking? What will come in that CSAT paper? What will not come in the CSAT paper? Which we will discuss. CSAT pattern. Very, very important slide, sir. These slide will give us a complete understanding of general studies paper 2. So, how many questions will be there? 80 questions will be asked in general studies paper 2, which is a CSAT paper. Each question carries how many marks? 2.5 marks. Each question carries 2.5 marks. So 80 into 2.5, which is 200 marks. 2.5 marks. Each question, right, carries 2.5 marks. How much time is given? 2 hours time is given, which is 120 minutes. CSAT, General Studies paper 2, it is a 2-hour paper. In 2 hours, the total number of questions that are given to you are 80, and each question, per question 2.5 marks will be will be given. Now, these per right answer. So, if it is for wrong answer, it is 1/3 deduction. 1/3 of 2.5. That means it is minus 0.833. So, is there any negative marking in CSAT paper? Yes, there is a negative marking in CSAT paper. Each, how many questions will come in CSAT paper? 80 questions will come in CSAT paper. What is the total marks? It is 200. 80 into 2.5 is 200 marks. How much a student is expected to get? 233 percentage means he is expected to get minimum 66 marks. 66 marks and above is considered to be the qualifying marks. If you do not clear these bare minimum score, then you are not qualified for the paper. I hope the idea it is clear. Now, how many sections will be there? There will be predominantly, right, 3 sections, maths, reasoning and English. Are there any sectional timing? No, there will be no sectional timing. Sir, how will a student write the examination? Is it an online examination or is it a paper and pen based examination? Mode of exam is offline examination, where a student is expected to write using pen and paper format. Should we write the explanation key? Is it a subjective paper or is it an objective paper? It is an objective paper. It is an objective paper where you have to tick mark the answer option. How many languages the paper will be? The paper will be in 2 languages. One is English, another will be in Hindi. The paper will be in 2 languages. One is in English, another is in Hindi. CSAT paper, which is also called as an General Studies paper 2. It has total 80 questions. Total marks are 200. Each right answer 2.5 marks. Each wrong answer. Is there any negative marking? Yes, it is 1/3 of 2.5 minus 8.33. A student is expected to get qualifying marks of right minimum 33 percentage of total marks. Sectional timing, no. 3 sections, maths, reasoning and English. Is it a paper and pencil format? Yes. Paper type, it is an objective type, not an subjective type. The paper will be in 2 languages, English and Hindi. Now what we will do is, we will discuss CSAT syllabus. What will come in CSAT syllabus? CSAT syllabus, primarily we can divide the section into, generally on a broader perspective, if I look at it from a top down perspective, these are all the areas that will be tested, but we can divide all these into 3 subcategories. One is maths, next is reasoning, and the third one is in English. What are the areas CSAT, UPSC will check in a CSAT paper? They will check the students' reading comprehension skills, extremely important. Reading comprehension skills. They will also check the interpersonal skills, including communication skills. Because once you get into a bureaucrat format, you are expected to convey your thoughts properly. then decision making and problem solving, which we call it as, if you look at here, third point, fourth point, fifth point, all this comes under basic right aptitude related skills. The questions will be from basic number system, arithmetic, some questions will be from mensuration 2D, mensuration 3D, permutation and combination. There will also be questions based on data interpretation, various ways of representing data. There could be tabular based questions, there could be line graph based questions, there could be bar graph based questions, there could be any other triangular based representation question, there could be an cumulative bar graph representation question. Generally, if you see the top first three, it refers to the top first three, these refers to English plus reasoning. The next refers to maths. Next refers to maths. Next refers to maths. This is predominantly the things. Basically, in a simple layman's language, I can tell that CSAT right asks students on these three important topics. What are the three important topics? Maths, reasoning and English. Maths, reasoning and English. Now we will discuss in detail which all topics that are tested under maths, which all topics that are tested under reasoning, which all topics that are tested under English. Maths, reasoning and English. Very, very important slide. Let us see. In maths, what will be covered? Reasoning, what will be covered? English, what will be covered? In maths, generally there will be questions based on right till class 10th level. Data interpretation questions also will be on till 10th level. Generally the questions will be on right. If you see here, these are the, again I will list all the subtopics, sir. Generally in CSAT examination till class 10th. Till class 10th, right? Whatever that is covered under class 10th, under maths, reasoning and English. Under maths, reasoning and English, that is the primary syllabus. Then the next question arises, sir, what exactly that is covered under maths till class 10th level, reasoning till class 10th level, English till class 10th level. Now see here, sir. Generally, we have not listed decision making as a part of the syllabus because probably from 2011 onwards. But however, we will give you videos related to decision making that will help you understand it. From 2014 onwards, not probably major high level of huge number of questions from decision making came. Now, this is an inductive syllabus. Probably sometimes UPSC always may show you a surprise by giving you few topics right here and there also. Now if you see here, detailed syllabus, what will come in maths section? As I told you, CSAT paper consists of mainly three sections. One is maths, reasoning and English. Maths, it is till class 10th. Then what is covered under class 10th? Let me give you an all topics. Maths, these are all the topics which a student is expected to complete it. Number system. In number system, you are expected to know speed calculation related problems, prime number, composite number related problems, unit digit related problems, last two digits related problems, and LCM and HCF related problems. LCM finding out using answer option, HCF finding out using answer option, LCM and HCF related problems, co-prime related problems, factors and multiples related problems, highest powers related problems, little bit of base system related problems, some simplification related problems using answer options. That comes under number system. Then in arithmetic, right, percentage related problems, then profit loss and discount related problems, simple interest, compound interest related problems, ratio proportion related problems, time and work related problems, time, speed and distance related problems, averages, mixtures, alligation, removal, replacement related problems, data interpretation related problems. These are all the topics that are covered under till class 10. So you are expected to know all the concepts, all the shortcuts, all the models from these particular topics. This is the complete weightage. Mensuration also, mensuration 2D and 3D is there. Geometry, some basic properties of triangles may be asked, so it's very important to know, because in mensuration 2D, 3D, lot of concepts are derived from geometrical properties only. So geometry basics also try to cover. Permutation and combination, probability. In permutation and combination, before arrangement and selection, you are expected to know fundamental principle of counting, fundamental principle of multiplication, fundamental principle of addition, some arrangement related question, sitting together, two people sitting together, circular arrangement related problems, rank related arrangement problems, difference between NPR and NCR related problems, when to use NPR, when to use NCR, probability related problems, coin related problems, card related problems, then if we had sum of 2 dice related problems, sum of 3 dice related problems, pack of card related problems, all these models are extremely important. Numerical related problems, generally Bayes theorem and advanced level, it is not required. Some number series related problems. So predominantly if you see, max syllabus is a combination of number system plus arithmetic, number system plus arithmetic. There is no algebra in CSAT, sir. So number system plus arithmetic plus geometry basic properties, mensuration 2D or 3D, plus permutation and combination, probability. Generally when you are going through probability, we suggest you to also go through Venn diagram related problems. This is the detailed syllabus of max related section. Sir, then what is the topics that comes under reasoning? Now see here. Now if you see here, this is the reasoning syllabus. Syllogism related problem, solving syllogism problems using Venn diagram, solving syllogism problems using Aristotle logic, all some not, no related problems, blood relation related problems, basic level, intermediate level, advanced level, direction related problems, alphabetical related problems, alphanumeric series related problems, coding related problems, decoding related problems, analogy related problems, repetition of calendar related problems, finding out the day related problems, clock related problems, all the 10 concepts related to clock. Time period is given, angle we need to find out, angle is given, time period we need to find out, when will hour, hand and minutes hand coincide we need to find out, when will be the watch be slow or watch be fast, counting figure related problems, diagram will be given, how many lines are there, how many triangles are there, how many squares are there, cube cutting related problems, cuboid related problems, which number will be opposite to this number, right letter series, number series, arrangement and selection related problems. A caselet will be given, 4 colors are there, 4 peoples are there, 4 buildings are there, then finding out all the questions related problem. This is the syllabus with respect to reasoning. This is the syllabus with respect to reasoning related problems. I hope you got an idea of syllabus of reasoning. Then in English, primarily in English, reading comprehension. In reading comprehension, these are the kind of questions that are primarily asked. Assumption based, inference based and conclusion based related problem. Decision making, cause and effect also. We have kept some videos so that you will understand it. RC is an extremely important section in CSAT paper. Generally most of the questions will not be a direct based question. There will be questions based on assumption, inference and conclusion based. Keep a special eye, especially the students who has an habit of reading will have a very added advantage. Now, max we have seen the syllabus, reasoning we have seen the syllabus, English we have seen the syllabus based on from 2011 till last year. What are the most important topics? What are the favorite topics for UPSC? Right board we will see, sir. Now from 2011 we have analyzed the papers and everything. What we realized is there are some topics which are extremely important in max. What are the topics which are extremely important for CSAT examination? Number system, LCM, HCF, all arithmetic related problems. All arithmetic related problems. Very, very important types are extremely important types. Reasoning, these are the very important topics. There are some very huge number of questions that came from particular topic. Do not ignore any of the topics that are mentioned under the most important topic criteria. Most important topic criteria. Now, especially the students who are really struggling in CSAT paper and probably have a sense of fear that probably CSAT might hit me. Right, I exclusively launched an UPSC CSAT special crash course. Exam is on June 16th. Now almost in 45 days with continuous live classes, giving you scintillating best of the updated video content. This is a course which probably might help you cross that qualifying hurdle. UPSC CSAT special crash course. It covers 3 topics. Aptitude means max. Max, all the topics are there. Reasoning, all the topics are there. RC, completely whatever that is as per syllabus, that is also there to help you gain momentum. What are all the things that are included in this course? 240 hours crisp contents are 240 hours, right? Recorded videos, 40 hours of live classes. All the live classes are taken by me. All the live classes are taken by me. Generally, daily 1 hour we will take time and work. I will discuss 1 hour practice class so that you will be informed. In these special course, daily 1 hour live class will be there from Monday to Friday, either early in the morning or late in the evening. This is an course of live plus recorded. 240 hours of recorded content plus 40 plus hours of live classes. Live classes might happen early in the morning or late in the evening. What is covered? 2000 plus shortcuts are discussed and 2500 plus solved problems are there for you to just revise a lot of concepts. All the max, reasoning and verbal PDF, complete PDF booklets are shared in Google Drive where you can take a print of that booklet. It covers, this course has a test series, this course has videos, this course has recorded content, this course also has the live class content where all the live classes are taken by me. Since exam is very close, we have almost got about close to few weeks of time. So we are giving it an right special price of 1299. The actual price is 2999. We are giving it at an extra 1700 rupees discount. Idea is to give you that confidence to crack CSAT examination with a lot of understanding of conceptual clarity. In case if you are a student who is going to write the UPSC Prelims examination on June 16th and you really feel that CSAT is one area which is troubling me, you can go for this special revision crash course. Apt Max plus reasoning plus English, recorded content, live class content, full of shortcuts content, PDF is given and topic wise test series are also given. These live classes will be from Monday to Friday. It will be an practice session of 1 hour where high quality questions will be discussed. And the best part is all live classes are taken by me. So this video is all about talking about all the details with respect to CSAT. What exactly is an CSAT examination? What exactly is the pattern of CSAT paper? What will come in CSAT paper? Right? What is the detailed syllabus of the paper? What are all the topics a student should cover? In case if you are prepared anywhere and you are not able to clear the CSAT paper, we suggest you to enroll for the course. Again I am telling, I come out with almost a 20 years of experience experience in teaching mathematics in various prestigious institutions ranging from IIT to NITs to an NIT Warangal to topmost private universities in South India. I was the ex-career launcher South India academic head. I see a lot of questions in CSAT similar to CAT examination. I, with my experience, will be more than happy to help you reach your destination. Thanks a lot. With love, Anil Nair.